I feel the praise going up. Praise going up.
All right, so for those of you who have been following the grinder story, we just got the grinder all cleaned out and put back together. And so now we have been testing it out this morning to see what size we need. Already, like, we are in better shape because I can fit what I need up here, so I don't have to break it down into 3 cups. I also don't have to sit and hold it down. I can put my spices in, go ahead and let it grind and go be, you know, scooping some other stuff. So that's already better.
It doesn't sound like a tornado.
It doesn't sound like a tornado siren. And I can adjust it to how fine or coarse I need it. So that's all pluses. So we are in good shape. I'm gonna just turn it on real quick so y'all can see. We're grinding, y'all. We're grinding. We're grinding. Look at this here. We're grinding.